Disposition. Let's move on to the disposition screen. Tap the disposition icon. This is where you'll document the patient's outcome and destination. You'll see that there's several normal default values filled in here, just like the other screens. These can also be modified. How the patient was moved. We have stretcher as a normal default, or you could change that if the patient walked, for instance. Transport mode from scene, patient's position during transport, number of patients transported, primary role with the medic unit, EMS condition code, we'll go with chest pain, the primary caregiver. By selecting the primary caregiver, this will populate the primary caregiver on the PDF. This can be changed at any time by changing the primary caregiver. Medical necessity. Type of destination. I'll select hospital emergency department. Select done, and it'll ask me for a list of destinations. I tap list, select the appropriate hospital, and it'll populate the information in there for me. Select done and move on. If you contacted the base hospital, you can document a date and time, who you talked to, and move on. Also in the disposition screen is the ability for the patient to sign. To do this, tap the authorization, and you'll see your agency-specific authorization statement. There's the relationship to patient, whether it be self or other, the date. If they were unable to sign, you can type in an entry why they were unable to sign. Did they receive their privacy practices notification? And they can sign. If you're unhappy with the signature, just tap clear and start over. Once you're happy with your signature, hit accept, and your signature is now recorded. Now let's talk about a patient who refuses care. To do this, change your patients of transported to 0. Select next. It will ask you if you would like to clear all the normal default values. Select yes, and you'll see the normal transport default values are now deleted. Open up your refusal of care screen. You'll see a release statement. This will be specific to your agency. The relationship to the patient, we'll call this self. If they were unable to sign, simply type in the reason next to the reason the patient could not sign. We also offer several tools that assist you in documenting an accurate refusal of care. We have toggles. Yes, the patient was 18 or an emancipated minor, of legal age, not impaired. You could document all those by selecting yes. Once you're ready for the patient to sign, pull up the signature box. The patient can sign, hit accept, and now you can date the signature and hit done. Witnesses can sign as well. Hit accept, date, and a crew member signature. You've now completed documenting your refusal of care.